So let's take a look at the picture.
Oh, one of the famous landmarks in Villas is the overpass.
Yes.
The Regua overpass also came from the proceeds of Villas Sound Fiesta. It was intended to decongest pedestrian traffic in the town. This is your question. Do you believe the overpass is necessary, or did it really serve its purpose?
Yes, I totally believe, because for me, not just in just one first thing that is very good in the overpass is for our senior citizens here in Villasis. For them to cross safety from our public market to our Villasis Bagsakan. And the second one is to avoid traffic. We all know we are all avoiding traffic, so it is so very useful for us, or all of us here in Villasis. So I am proud to say that I am Villasinian, because we are in a very good town that is full of progress, and a town that is full of prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number one. Well said.
Okay, thank you very much. Next we have the candidate number 5. Okay, pick your number. She chose picture 7.
Picture 7.
It's with you.
Oh, in the field. Okay? Nakita mo na yung picture, ano? This is your question. What do you think is the problem of the agriculture industry? What do you think is the problem of the agricultural industry?
I think the problem of the agriculture industry is the proper irrigation to have a very good crop. As a civil engineering student, I have a proposed project to help our farmers to have a good crop, and that is the wastewater treatment plant, wherein it is not only good in alleviating problems and the pollution, but it also helps the farmers to have a good harvest. Thank you.
Thank you. Our future engineer offering her services at this early.
Next, we have candidate number 6.
Does she remind you of Angel Aquino?
Angel? Okay. Sir, number 3.
Number 3.
Still with you.
God. Let's look at the picture number 3. Picture number 3, please. Not 6.
Number 3.
Are you familiar with that edifice?
Yes, sir.
The Villasis Livelihood Training Center. The Livelihood Training Center was inaugurated on July 2011. It provides livelihood and skills training for out-of-school youth of the town. And this is your question. Do you believe alternative learning program such as this is the solution to the problem of unemployment? Why?
Yes, because I believe that the success is in our hands. So we need to put determination and hard work for it. And I believe that in every segment that we take, there's a plan that we need to
Is it even or odd?
Number 9.
Picture number 9, please. Okay, the iconic Villas's Public Auditorium. It is a structure with its undulating roof. It is a venue for cultural events of the town. Here is your question. Do you believe culture is very important to the life of the townspeople? Do you believe culture is very important to the life of the townspeople?
Of course, I do believe that culture is very important because from the beginning, we learn with that culture, we adapt that culture, and with the culture that we have, we actually attain progress. We actually apply that for the continuous progress of our. For example, for the continuous progress of our municipality, we use the recent culture that we do have. That's why we do have auditorium, which actually I couldn't imagine that a municipality could have a classy and comfortable place like public auditorium. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number
7. Next, we have candidate number 9. Take your number. Puro odd yata yung
I want go.
go. Okay.
Even. Sa'yo yan.
Even. Picture number 8, please. Okay. Okay. That is the Gawad Kalinga Namnam. So that is the bagsakan. You have seen the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
That picture shows the bagsakan of the villages. What do you think is the importance of having the bagsakan of villages to the people of villages?
Thank you for that question, ma'am. Do you know that Villasis is the #1 producer of talong in Region 1? So, I can say that the bagsakan is very important wherein the products, especially talong, are being sold there. And of course, we can also see there like the product of tupig, the tupigera, and also the different kinds of vegetables in bagsakan. And I believe that that bagsakan wants to promote the Villasis to be known as the vegetable belt of Pangasinan. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 9.